In this video, I'll show you how to download and install free games to your Windows computer or laptop. So it doesn't matter whether you're on a laptop or a desktop computer, the steps are going to be exactly the same, and we can do this without needing to install any third-party applications. So it's really easy, just open up the Start menu on your computer, go and search for Microsoft Store and click on this. Then in the left-hand side, go and click on Gaming, and then in the navigation bar, click on Free Games. Now from here, you'll see a bunch of different free games that we can go in, download and install onto our computer. So let's say that we wanted to download this one here. I would simply click on it, click on the blue Get button, and then wait a couple of seconds while that downloads to your computer. Once it's finished installing, you can click on this blue Play button to open the game, or you can just open up your Start menu and search for the game that we just installed, and you can open it up directly from here. So that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.